I'm going to be showing you in this video a KDP niche that is very profitable, high in demand and low in competition, that can increase your KDP earnings every month. Now, if you're looking for a new KDP niche to publish to increase your monthly earnings on KDP, Amazon KDP, you may want to try this niche. I'm going to be showing you why this niche is very profitable, and I'll also show you random self-publishers that are publishing this book and they are making above $1,000 every single month. If you've been following me on this channel, you know that I always share new KDP niches that are very profitable and high in demand. And when you look through the Kindle store, you will see that greater percentage of these books you're seeing here were published by self-publishers, and they are making money every single month. And I'll also show you that this niche is very simple to create. Anyone can create this and publish it on Amazon KDP. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you love this type of content, kindly subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell as to get notified each time I upload a new video. The niche we'll be talking about today is coloring book for autistic kids. Now, when you check on this coloring book for autistic kids, you will see that niche score is given 58. And whenever analyzing a niche, if a niche gives a score 50 and above, that niche has potentials to increase your sales. And now this is giving 58, so is a very good sign that this niche is very profitable. People are searching it. It's just an indication that people are searching for this niche. So another one is the search results. Usually if the search result is above 1000, you will know that competition is too high for that niche. If it's below 1000, that means there are not too much competition. Now the search result is giving 261, meaning there is opportunity for anyone to create and publish this book. These two factors have satisfied that this niche is less competitive and that people are searching for it. Now I'm going to show you about 3 different self-publishers that have published this book and that are making above $1,000 every single month. I'll be judging this, I'll be analyzing this using their bestseller rank to show you that there is demand for this niche. Now I'm going to skip the ones that are sponsored. I'm looking for the ones that are independently published. And first of all, this particular one is independently published, ABC Coloring Book for Kids. This is a coloring book for autistic kids. As you can see, the title is ABC Coloring Book 3 to 5 years. And this is independently published. The bestseller rank is given 221. This has proven that there is demand for this niche. Analyzing a niche, if a niche gives a bestseller rank of 300 and below, that means there is demand for that niche, but this one is giving 221. And if you check how much this person is making using bestseller rank, which is 221, calculate how much this person is making, you can see that this person is making above $1,000 every day and up to $46,000 and above every month. And this is a self-publisher, independently published. The second book on the first page of Kindle store, and the bestseller rank of this person is 127. This is an indication that this person is recording sales every month. Checking how much this person is making every month. 127. As you can see, this person is making above $2,000 every day and up to $64,000 every single month. This is to show you that publishers are publishing on this book and they are recording sales every single month, and that you too can publish on this book. Check the third book on the first page of Kindle store, that independently published. So this one is independently published, simple and big coloring book for toddlers, still under the niche coloring book for autistic kids. So this one is giving 857. And when you check 857, as a bestseller rank 857 to see how much this person is making. 857. Can see this person is making up to $600 every day and almost above $18,000 every month. So this is an indication that this niche is very profitable. As you can see, the search results 261 is an indication that many people have not published on this niche. So there is opportunity for anyone who wants to publish on this niche to publish on it. Independently publish is just 32. There are not much competition on this niche. So checking this particular book to show you that this is very simple and anyone can create this. So let's check this particular one and see how the interior looks like. This is how the interior looks like. This can be created using Canva and ChatGPT. You can get these pictures, these images using ChatGPT, and you can design them in Canva. It's something that is very simple to create. So let's check another one. This particular one, there is no sample given, but you can check the reviews. From the reviews, you can see that this is just a coloring images with instruction on how to color them. So this is the interior of this second one. This is how the interior looks like. Okay, they didn't show much, but I can see just different coloring images of different cars, aeroplane, just from kids to color. So that's what this is, and this is a kind of images you can generate using ChatGPT or using Canva AI free version. So this niche is very simple to create and also very profitable. This is something you will want to try to create. You won't spend so much creating this book. I've already made a video on how you can create a coloring book. So just type whatever topic you want to create on ChatGPT and it will generate a prompt. You also use the same prompt to generate images. Go to Canva and create your coloring book, and you publish it and start selling. Let's check this particular one and see what is inside. Okay, this one, there is no sample shown. From the reviews, you can see the type of interior this one has is just a coloring image with different lines that kids can color. As you can see, it's just different diagram. This can be generated using ChatGPT. So it's simple to create. So you can see this niche is so profitable, high in demand. Self-publishers are publishing and making money. You can see the review. This one has 6,931 reviews. This one has 55 reviews. So many of them. See this one also, 2,626 reviews, and so many of them have high reviews. That's to show that people are searching and buying this book. And the niche is coloring book for autistic kids. So you want to try it out. So if you want to know how to create a coloring book using Canva, I've already made a video about that, so I will leave the link in my description. Click the link and it will take you to a video I've already made regarding coloring book, how to create a coloring book. Thank you for watching. That will be all for this niche. I'm going to be dropping another video about a new niche. So if this one didn't go well for you, the next might be your lucky bros. Just remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification as you get notified each time I upload any video. See you in my next video.